Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, this is Shahil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel English Talk with Shahil. So my friend, in this video I'm going to just tell about communication skill. So friends, if you are learning English language and you want to learn this language in easy way, so please be with me. I would teach you that what is the basic steps for speaking in English language. So basically this is kind of class if you are beginner, and also if you have completed your basic classes, I mean you are speaking good English, so then of course this video is for you, and for beginner this is also for them. So my friends, the communication, what is communication? First we have to understand the word of communication. The communication means the thought what we put in the certain time that is understandable or not. Like I'm speaking, if you can understand me, so I would be good communicator. And if you're watching my videos and you are not able to catch a single word and you are not learning anything, so I would never be good kind of communicator. So this is the meaning of communication. I mean, the communication means you're speaking whatever you are speaking in the situation, so that would be suitable for that situation. So this is called good kind of communication. This is called good kind of communicator. So as we all know that everyone wants to speak in fluent way, but they don't want to get the burden. My dear friends, you don't have to take a little bit burden. You have to just present yourself as you can present as possible. I mean, if you know simple words, so just speak in simple words. If you know tough words and that tough word is easy for you, so then for you it would be better speaking in tough word. As I'm speaking, I am not using any kind of tough word, but I'm speaking, I can understand that you can understand what I'm talking to you. So this is called a communication skill. If you don't have communication skill, so whatever word you know, that would be never going to help you for enhancing yourself. So my friends, please be in simple. Like there is a formula, KISS, that means keep it simple stupid, which the K stands for the keep, and S stands for simple, and second is stop for stands for the stupid. Okay, a person who just make the topics complicated, so that person is fool, that is not genius. A genius person always just complete their topic in simple word. Okay, being a good communicator, it's my responsibility to say you all guys that you have to just put your thoughts in simple word. That's enough. Okay, so if you're enjoying yourself being a speaker, okay, this is the sign of good communicator. Okay, so my dear friends, and the second thing is, you can also improve yourself by speaking, but it's not mean if you have no tough long words, so you can't be a good communicator. Anyone can be good communicator, but you have to put your thought. If you would put your thought in simple way, then you would known as good communicator. So if in this video there is any mistake, so sorry, please forgive me, because I'm in the stage of learning. Okay, as possible as I can share my journey, I can share my thoughts. So that's enough for today. So please guys, if you are new, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing any latest update. So thank you guys very much.